Remember, the 5th of November. It's that date again. And tomorrow there's a big public party. So come on down if you can. Come on down to London town. Let's party together for freedom. Now, was Guy Fawkes a criminal or a freedom fighter? Well, that's your choice. But tomorrow, why didn't you come on down to London town and we can party together? So come on, I will be there early. Remember, the 5th of November.